Hello students, the next topic we have is the global statement, and let us see what this global statement is used for. If you need to modify a global variable from within a function, use the global statement. That is, they have a variable here and it has been declared as global. But if you want to change that variable's value, or if you want to modify that variable within a function, that means within a function you want to change that value of a global variable, that means within a local scope, then you make use of the global statement. Here is an example for that. This is a function definition and the function name is spam here. And before coming to the function definition, we'll see the rest of the program, because function definition will not be executed immediately. It will be executed when the function is called. So prior to that, we will see a global variable here. The global variable used here is eggs, and the eggs variable is being initialized with the text global. After that, there is a function call here spam. You have to go to that function here, function definition spam. In the spam, what is there? They have used the variable x and they have used the statement global. So this indicates that there is a global variable known as x and it is being reinitialized here. Okay, so no need of declaring one more local variable as x, because there is already one variable global with the same name. So here they are making use of the same variable x and they are reinitializing it with the new text, that is spam. So this change, that what they have done is the change that is done to a global variable. So initially global variable x was initialized with the value global. Now within a function you are able to change it to spam, and that too with the help of the global statement. So what is the work of the global statement? Global statement's work is, if you want to modify a global variable inside a function, then you make use of global statement for that variable. So if you mention that global statement for that variable, it indicates that this is a variable which is being declared outside the function, and then you can later modify that variable, and that modification will be final for that variable. Okay, so this, if you want to execute it and see, we are making use of the Thorny software here. So initially what it will be, x is initialized to global, then we'll go to the function spam. Then this is a function call. We'll go to the function definition by using the def keyword, the function name and colon. Here they are indicating that x is a variable which is global, and then they have modified the variable x to the value spam. So after that, once the function definition ends, you return back to the function call and you continue with the rest of the program. So after that function call ends here, it will print the value of x. So here there are two values of x here, one is global and one is spam, but as the value of the global variable x has changed to spam, so the output will give it as spam. So Control S, F5. Okay, so when you see the output, you can see that it has printed spam, okay, and not global. Okay, so this is the work of making use of a global statement. Even though this global variable is there, it has been initialized, you can change it inside a function by using the statement global. Okay, we'll see the next example. There is one more program here which is also making use of the global statement here. Okay, global statement is there. I've copied this program into the Thorny software. Let's see what is there in that program. Okay, so there is more number of functions here. This is a spam function. Next you have the bacon function. Then is the ham function. Okay, so function definitions are not executed first. So we'll see the part of the program. Here they are making use of a global variable x, and why it is global? Because it is outside all of the functions. It is not within a function, it is outside all of the functions. So it is a global variable and it is initialized with the value 42. Okay, so next, which function is called? Spam function is called. So we have to go to the function definition of spam. Okay, function definition of spam is there. So what spam is doing is it is making use of the global statement to the variable eggs. Okay, so it says that there is already a global variable eggs, and then you are modifying it inside a function spam. So what you are reinitializing eggs here is with, you are reinitializing it with spam, and this is global. Okay, once you finished with this function definition, that is you have reinitialized the eggs value with the text spam, you have to come back to the function call. Once you come back to the function call, you have to print what here? You have to print eggs. Okay, so it will not print 42, it will print spam as it was changed within a function. The remaining functions are not called here, only spam function is there. Remaining function here is what here? Bacon. What bacon has done is it has used one variable eggs and it has initialized it with the value bacon. So eggs here, you are not making use of global statement here. So eggs is a local variable which is local to the function bacon. Okay, so you have just used a local variable which is only visible to bacon function and nowhere else. Next you have the ham function here. In the ham function you are printing the value of eggs. Okay, so printing the value of eggs, that also which one you will print is the global value of egg. Okay, global variable. So this is global here, but as that function is not being called, bacon is not called and ham is not called, only spam is called. Only the function call of spam is there. So here this eggs value is changed to what text here? Spam. So when you will come back to the function call, what is the next line here? Print eggs. So it will print the value of eggs, and what will be the new value of eggs? It will be spam and not 42. Why it is spam? Because you change the value of eggs inside a function which was global by making use of the global statement. Okay, so let us run this program. So already run here, Control S, F5. Okay, so it will print the value as what here? Spam. Although its initial value was 42, after getting changed it has shown the output as spam. Okay, next, the next problem or program they have given is they have a statement here. If you try to use a local variable in a function before you assign a value to it, as in the following program, Python will give you an error. They are saying that if you try to use a local variable before assigning any value to it, that means you have not assigned value to that local variable, but you are using prior to assignment, then Python will give you an error. For example, the program is here. Here this is the function definition and the function name is what here? Spam. And what this is doing is it is printing the value of eggs and then it is initializing the value eggs to spam local. Okay, let us check here. Prior to the function definition you have what here? Global variable eggs and its statement is what here? Global. Okay, statement is global, and then is what here? Spam function is there, function call. You have to go to the function definition, and in the function definition you can see that it has printed the value of eggs prior to assigning any value to it. So this eggs is a global variable and this eggs is a local variable, but without giving a value to it prior, how will you print the value of eggs? Okay, so this eggs is visible only to spam and this eggs is visible to the entire program. So when you run this program it will give an error because you have used that local variable prior to its assignment. Okay, so you can see the program here. Okay, third program is here. Spam eggs is equals to what here? You have initialized it to global, so it is a global variable. Then it is calling the function here spam. It's calling the function spam, and when you come to this function spam function, you are printing the value of eggs prior to assigning any value to it. So let us see what it will show. The output is Control S, F5. Okay, so the output shown here is local variable eggs referenced before assignment. Okay, so before assigning any value to it, you are referring to that local variable, so it will give you an error. So they are saying that whenever you are printing the value of a local variable, first see that you assign a value to it, then you make use of that variable. So this was an example of local variable getting used prior to its assigning a value. Okay, so this was the end of the topic, the global statement. Okay, global statement, some examples on it has been covered.